Have you ever looked at a quilt with braids or maybe seen a bag with a little braided accent and thought, I need to learn how to do that someday? Well, someday could be today. Hi, I'm Kate Colleran, and in this course, I teach you how to make a basic braid. You might think that braids look difficult to do, but they really don't have to be. I know that there's lots of ways to make braids, but in this course, I show you my easy method for making a basic braid. We start with learning how to cut our braid pieces. Then I talk a lot about fabric and color and value, so you end up with a cohesive looking braid. Once your braid pieces are all laid out and ready to go, well, it's time to sew. And I give you tips on how to sew them together, how to press, and then the final step is trimming the braid to the perfect size for you to put in your next project. Speaking of projects, what is it you can do with a braid? Well, you can use the braid as a block in a quilt, kind of like the down the garden path quilt pattern that you get as part of this course. Or you could use them maybe in a table runner like this, or in a placemat. I've put them in pillows. The little bag that I showed you is an accent, which is really fun. I've even used a braid in a journal cover as a little accent strip. Really kind of fun, different ways that you can use braids. I put them on the back of a coat. I put them around a panel in a quilt. So many different things you can do with braids. And I love making braids. They're really fun. They're relaxing to do. You know, they're really easy enough for a beginner because there's no points to match. And when you're all done, you just trim it to the size for your next quilt, bag, whatever project you want to work on. So come on, join me in class and learn my easy method for making a basic braid. See you there.